Alright, welcome to this session of graphic design on smartphone, and in this video we're going to be learning how to make this knockout effect in Pixel Lab. Many people have been requesting for this video, so I decided to make this video on how to create a knockout effect in Pixel Lab. It is actually a beautiful effect if you combine it in flyers, posters, or different um, designs that you can think of. It is a very nice design. So this is what we are going to be learning today. And trust me, it is very easy. So just sit back and relax and learn. Alright, so I'm going to clear this off my screen, leaving only the background behind. So I'm going to delete the remaining elements. I just have the background. Okay, let me change the background to this color. I'll just use the color picker tool to pick this color. In case you don't understand the usage of color in Pixel Lab, you can check out the video under the playlist of Pixel Lab graphics on this channel to learn how to use colors and how to use the tools under the color section. Alright, so I'm just going to import the image that I want to use right now. I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the image of the lady that we'll be using in this design. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom it to 100% so that she feels the whole screen, and then I'm going to lock her so that my hand doesn't drag her around when I'm designing. And the next thing we are going to do is just that we are going to draw a rectangle that will cover half of the screen. So this is how we are going to draw the rectangle. And then the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to write the text that we want to put on the design, which is African beauty. Sorry, African beauty. All right, African beauty. So this is the text we are going to be writing, and I will change the color to the color of the background, which is blue color. That's the reason. Then I'm going to select the fonts that I want to use. For the purpose of this video, I would be using the Geomanist Black. Okay, so this is the font. I'm just going to zoom it so that it fills a very large part of the screen, so I can manually use the size tool, and then I set it to the middle, both vertically and horizontally. Okay, that means our rectangle is not well aligned in the middle, so we move it so that it falls to the middle of this text. Okay, then let me add the hyphens to the text and let's see how it looks. Let me put the I here, and then can beauty. All right, so let us use this and then balance it. All right, so this is African beauty, and then you're just going to copy this, place it on the same position, then hide it. You remember that it's the one on the top that we hid. Now you're going to merge both the one at the bottom, that is the first text that we wrote, and the rectangle, merge them together. Please note this step very well. It might be quite confusing if you don't master this step very well. So you're going to merge them together, and when you merge them together, you will go to your erase color, then you will choose select color, and then you use your color picker tool to pick this blue color. Can you see that the blue color has been knocked out, and we can now see what is behind very well. We can even decide to reduce the opacity a little bit this way. Okay, I think we should do it this way. It is kind of beautiful, but no, for the purpose of this tutorial, let us just leave it this way. Alright, then you lock it, and then the one you hid before, you're going to unhide it. Then you're going to change the color to transparent. Please do well to check out the video on the color if you don't really understand about these color tools. You're going to bring the touch slide to the last part to change it to transparent, Can you see that? You cannot see it anymore. Then you're going to apply a stroke to it, a white color stroke. So the stroke is going to be a bit tiny. Okay, 2 is okay, and then you set it to the middle perfectly. Can you see it overlaid the knocked out part of the text below? And then we can reduce the opacity a little bit so that it can be more beautiful. Can you see something like this? Let us leave it at 70, yes. And then the opacity of this other second text too, we can reduce it to 70. Can reduce it to 70. Can you see this is very beautiful, very beautiful. Let us see how they both look like before reducing their opacity. Now this is very beautiful. So this is just a simple way through which you can make a knockout effect on Pixel Lab. So you can try it with any picture, with any text, with any background, with any shape. This is just the basic idea. So if you should understand this, then you should be able to do so many other knockout effects in Pixel Lab. So go into the world and be knocking out on your designs. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.